Is your manufacturing operation leveraging the full potential of Industry 4.0 to achieve peak efficiency and innovation?
Modern manufacturing faces increasing pressure from global competition, supply chain complexities, and the demand for higher quality with lower costs. Outdated systems can lead to inefficiencies, production delays, and missed opportunities for growth. Tudip empowers manufacturers with transformative digital solutions. We implement smart factory automation, predictive maintenance systems using IoT and AI, robust supply chain management tools, and real-time analytics dashboards. Our solutions optimize production, reduce downtime, and enhance product quality, driving your journey towards a smarter, more connected enterprise. Partner with Tudip to streamline your operations, gain actionable insights, and build a resilient, efficient manufacturing future.
Maximize your output and minimize waste. Discover how we're revolutionizing manufacturing. Visit Tudip's website today.